Yet analyzing the financials obtained from Meralco's own website, its return on equity was 28% in 2018 and 2019. And that even with the raging pandemic in 2020, its return to equity was still computed at high 21%, or 54% more than the allowed cap.
Sinusubukan pa ng GMA News na kunin ang panig ng PRC at COA. Maghahain daw si Marcoleta ng resolusyon para i-review ang mga batas kung saan ipinapasa sa consumers ang systems loss kasama yung nawawala sa Meralco dahil sa mga ninanakaw na kuryente.
Hindi naman po pwedeng ang magbayad dito ay yung consumers kasi wala na pong kinalaman.
Super ganda.
Nakauto po natin si Ma'am Michelle Saga.
Parang lalos.
Tokyo, Japan. Ang kanyang reklamo yung gold digger daw po na taga-Euro 5. Walang ginawa po, buhutukan sa nakutukan.
Tingnan mo baka may mga dead pixels ha.
Sir, magandang tanghali po sa inyo dyan.
Sige ma'am, Gold, ikwento niyo po itong ginawang pangulo ko sa inyo yung SFO2, Abana Alaw-Alaw.
Sir, nagmula po nung
Yung speaker.
August 20, 2018. 3 months po ako sa Pilipinas.
Worried about wrong, damaged, or missing items? Don't worry. Get your order and money.
And Jonathan Metacupo always says that. He keeps saying we need to have fun. When he was asked about playing today, he said, good old Game 7, beautiful. And of course, the Milwaukee Bucks have won.
Mga maamang kwento, panoorin nyo na lang i-replay sa internet. I-upload naman yan.
Look, Amor, alam kong hindi ka naman ganon. So, kung ayaw mo makipag-date sa akin, at least payagan mo akong umakyat ng ligaw sa'yo.
Walang hagda ng bahay ko.
Sige, kahit ano gagawin ko.
Wagon Foundation, the four left from Narita Airport on a flight to Cairo. While above the East China Sea, they noticed an insect on the plane. The insect then began attacking Jotaro, who quickly deduced that it was a stand. Abdal was then able to figure out that the stand was
Siya naman yan. Malinaw yan, no?
Yeah, no, put that down. That's worth more than you owe me. Yeah.
Okay, the craziest thing just happened to me. These guys were robbing an ATM.
So I think it was also a good thing to, now you see this ember, you see the environment, you actually see the silent value, what's going to happen in every fight.
Like, kung meron kayo mga one-time purchases, pwede nyo din siyang i-budget in advance. So, for example,